How to fix lag on Roblox. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag on Roblox easy and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Go to any Roblox server like this one, for example. This is a GTA 5 server. As you can see, it looks amazing. Oh, as you can see. Now all what you have to do to fix the lag is simple. Go to the top here and then click on the settings page and then go to this option right here. It's called camera mode, and make sure to make it on this follow option, and then scroll down and you will find the graphics mode. Make it automatic like this, and if it works then great. If it's not, make it manual and make it as lower as possible from here. Now go back and try it again, and I am sure that the problem is gonna be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the end.